I have actually always wanted to work with Wes at his actual ranch. I've worked with him as a personal coach on one-on-one with a Zoom. I've had him come out to my area and do clinics, and I've just always felt really inspired that I needed to be here to work with him. It didn't disappoint. It was amazing. There were probably more than just one of them. I would probably say the biggest insightful was I came in with a lot of PTSD. I've worked with PTSD over horses for quite a few years. I've improved and improved and improved. These horses are more challenging for me. They're not your deadheads. And the really quirkiest one that I was a little nervous about, he was actually able to really coach me through. And between the horse and I, we were able to actually mesh, bond, and then he kind of gave us the little, hey, do you want to? Totally went through it, and a lot of that PTSD just between me and the horse all went and left.
Nice. I love that.
Yeah. So much better in person. I love the coaching with the one-on-one with there. I actually really did miss it when the coaching sessions ended, but being able to work one-on-one with Wes, he was able to actually be here in person to correct what needed to be corrected and encourage. And even though he's very uplifting and always encouraging, being here was just a lot more personal, and I feel like I got a lot more accomplished.
Nice.
My horse taught me that even though my nervous system has definitely healed over the last few years, I still have a whole lot of work to do in my own brain to be able to match with them, and they're definitely showing me I have more to do. Yeah, absolutely.
Why?
Anybody and everybody, horse owners should come and listen to his message and work with him. It's very impactful, very valuable, and a very personal coaching session. He's a great friend.
So I came out to work with Wes and Cammie, and I had problems with my horses. I was getting older, right? And you start to have a few accidents, and you're like, wow, I never have had these things before. What am I doing wrong? You know, I got some new horses that are high-strung, and you start to get on the trail or even at the trailer and the rearing, and yeah, wanting to go. And I was like, I just don't know how to fix it. You know, I'm trying to circle and stop them, and it's just blowing up into all these other things. And so I was like, let's go see what he can do. I've heard so many wonderful things about him from so many different people. My vet, you know, my doctor. I'm like, wow, you guys all know Wes Taylor too. So I felt really honored to be able to come up and meet you guys. And I learned so much. Oh my God. Just in the 3 days, I'm going home with like new perspective, new goals, a lot of training and homework, but we got progress. And yeah, with high-strung horses, I was able to start to get their brain with me instead of them leaving all the time. And the safety zones for me and for them, right? So yeah, it was a good thing to work on.